प्रकाश, इस वाले से शुरू करना।
So if I'm talking about the roadmap of DSA, okay, for web development, what are the things that you think like this is how much DSA you need to know to like that will add value to your web development journey?
Okay. So as a beginner to get started, you need to have a very good amount of knowledge of DSA. Now let's come to the topic of what all DSA you require, because for front end, if you want to become a front end developer, DSA is not required at all, right? A lot of companies do not take DSA around because when you're doing front end, you are not actually using DSA at all. But when you call yourself a back-end developer or full-stack developer, you should know what DSA is, right? So for people who just want to come into web development without DSA, you have to become a front-end developer. And then in the company, you can learn DSA and all the things. But if you want to go as a full-stack developer, learn DSA. So with DSA, the concepts remain the same, right? You have to understand how strings work, how objects work, how lists are working, linked lists are working, what is stack and queue, how basically you are basically pushing and popping all the items, understanding all of these things and understanding some pack algorithms as well, which a lot of people memorize. Right now, that depends on you, whether you want to memorize these algorithms or you basically want to have a good understanding of how these algorithms actually work under the hood. So a good amount of DSA is actually required. Even if you go for an entry level interview, they will give you good DSA question, like DSA medium level question, not easy level question. Like you can find it on GeeksforGeeks or on different platforms as well. So there is easy, medium, hard. So a lot of companies will in the initial round give you medium level question. They don't give you easy level question. So don't do easy and then go for a DSA round. You won't clear it, to be very honest. Do medium level questions. At the end, they'll also ask you 1 or 2 hard level questions as well. But if you do all the medium questions with optimized solution, then it's a win-win situation for you. So that's how basically, and how do you practice DSA is also very simple. Basically, you take 10 easy, let's say 20 easy questions, 10 medium questions and 5 hard questions. So this is always the ratio. A lot of people do the reverse, but the reverse is not good. You do 20 easy, 10 medium and 5 hard questions, and you don't try to cover questions for one single topic, but go on to different topics as well. Don't just say to yourself, I'll do all the problems of linked list. That is not good, a not good thing. Just do the 20, 10, 5 rule, like 35 to 40 questions on every topic, and then start applying for DSA interviews, because you will then get new questions also in the interview and you can have your own set of questions.
Okay, great. So last but not the least, if we are talking about the roadmap to